Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change a front blinker bulb on this 2013 Jeep Patriot. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? Really helps out a lot. First thing we're going to do is remove these plastic tabs here that hold the inner fender to the front bumper cover. Just going to stick a flat head in here and pry these center tabs down and out. Then you'll be able to pull the upper portion of the tab out. So this is what you're going to be pulling out. This tab pulls all the way out, and then this tab can pull out. Now remove these 3 7mm screws. Now you can pull your inner fender out around your bumper cover here. Now we can get in here. There should be a little 7mm screw up in here, right here, but somebody has already removed it and didn't put it back. But there should be another one right here. Now we need to remove this tab right here. This works the same way as the first tabs that we removed. Last thing we need to do here is remove this tab right here. Now we can pull our front bumper cover out a little bit like this, and then we can see our bulb right there. So we're just going to come in here and you're going to twist this loose like that, and you can pull it out like that. You can see your old bulb here that's toasted. Then we can just pull this bulb right out. I'll have these bulbs linked down in the description below where you can get them on Amazon. But now you just take your new bulb and push it right back in the socket here like that, and then just screw it back in and put things back together the way you took them apart. So if you found this video helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? Really helps out a lot. Thank you for watching and have a good one.